but so I wanted to be together with you today. We are going to do an experiment together. It is called Glows experiment. We are going to have simple ingredients that you can find at home. So we need some vinegar, and then we need an empty water bottle, and this is the main ingredient. You need baking soda, and you need a pair of gloves. If you don't have gloves in your home, you can also use balloons. And I have a marker here. I will use it to color the fingers of the gloves. So these are everything you need. Let's start. When we start our experiment, I take the water bottle first. I open the lid, and then I open the vinegar bottle, and I take the vinegar, I pour it very carefully into the bottle. Half a bottle of vinegar is enough for you. So now I put my bottle aside, and it's time to color the gloves. I take my marker and start coloring the fingers. It's time to put the baking soda inside the gloves. For this, I have a jar. Inside I have baking soda, and I have a small spoon, and I have my gloves that I colored the fingers. And now, first I open the jar, and here you can see the baking soda. It is white. I take the gloves, and I put like 10 spoons of baking soda inside the glove. Let's see the baking soda inside the gloves. So as you see, all the baking soda I put are inside the fingers of the gloves. Now it's time to put the upper part of the gloves on the top of the water bottle, and you're gonna need a rubber band to tie it very tightly. I'm ready. So you see I have the gloves tied to the bottle, and I have the baking soda inside the gloves. So the last thing I should do, I put the bottle down, and I pour all the baking soda inside the vinegar. Are you ready? Our experiment is over here. You can see our gloves. It's completely bigger, and the air is filled inside it. So you can try this at home with your parents. Have a lovely day. See you soon. Bye.